Hey there, fellow online sellers. If you're trying to connect your WooCommerce store to Pinterest and keep seeing the frustrating error, your shop is not activated, you're in the right place. This issue is more common than you think, especially with the 2025 updates to Pinterest's API. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step fix that should get you up and running in no time. By the end of this video, you'll have your shop activated and ready to drive more traffic from Pinterest. First, let's understand the problem. This error typically pops up when there's a mismatch between your Pinterest business account and your WooCommerce setup. It could be due to outdated plugins, incorrect settings, or an interrupted connection. The good news is, most fixes are straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Step 1. Log into your Pinterest business account and make sure it's fully set up. Go to your account settings and verify that you have a Pinterest business account activated. If not, convert your personal account to a business one, it's free and quick. Also, check if your Pinterest app is updated to the latest version, as Pinterest rolled out some changes in 2025 that affect integrations. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings and find the Pinterest integration section. Here, double-check that your Pinterest API keys are correctly entered. If you're unsure where to find these, Pinterest's developer portal has easy instructions. If the keys look good, try disconnecting and reconnecting your Pinterest account directly from the WooCommerce Pinterest plugin. Now, for step 3. Update all your relevant plugins. Make sure both the WooCommerce core plugin and the Pinterest for WooCommerce extension are up to date. Outdated versions are a common culprit for this error. If you haven't updated in a while, do it now. WordPress usually handles this with a simple click. If that doesn't work, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser, as sometimes temporary glitches can cause activation issues. Once you've done that, test the connection by attempting to create a pin from your WooCommerce products. Finally, if you're still running into problems, reach out to Pinterest support or check the WooCommerce forums for specific 2025 related fixes. Remember, persistence is key. There you have it. That's how you fix the "your shop is not activated" error on Pinterest for WooCommerce. Give these steps a try, and you'll be pinning your products in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.